You say Tonido, I say Tonido. Either way, this is a server for just about every type of file you would want to manage on your home network. Tonido, not exactly sure. They asked if I wanted 5 of them, and really I only need one. Any one individual out there would only need a single one of these. And so I said, well, instead of sending me 5, what if we gave 5 of these away to people in my community? That might be you. If you leave a comment that's generally not insipid or attacking me in some way, which I realize the YouTube community is prone to doing. Either way, pay attention. This is what the Tonido can do. Behind me I've got the web-based console. This here is obviously not connected to my home network because power's not going into it, and I don't have the cable connected to my router. I also don't have any external storage connected by way of the USB port. But this management console is attached to another Tonido. Either way, from here I can do just about anything, including managing all the users I have at home. So myself, Wicket, Pixie, my dogs there don't really use anything that is available here. They really don't use the internet all that much to begin with. Either way, it's more than just a way to share your files and access your files from anywhere you happen to be connected to the internet. So you could use potentially their new iPhone app to connect to your media anywhere you happen to be connected. But it will manage your files. There's a jukebox so you can manage all your music. You've got the ability to manage all your personal finances as well. And that may not sound like a big deal, but imagine if you have, like for real, more than one person in your house and you're trying to balance your checkbook and you're trying to keep an eye on everything. Well, if you want to keep everything safe and secure in your own possession, well, forget about using the cloud and just keep your own little storage, server, management, home console thing in the Tonido. Not exactly sure how to say it. You have the ability to manage and view photos, search, of course, across all those files. You have the ability to blog internally, so if you wanted to have your own blog at home, just your family. And you can even create users for family members who live all across the world, so it's not just the people who are living on your home network. Again, you can access this or your own Tonido anywhere you happen to be. There's also a built-in BitTorrent client. That's kind of nice. And that way, well, you could share Linux distributions, for example. You have the ability to go in and actually share your screens, at least those that are connected to Windows computers. Shared workspaces, task management. It's essentially about as close as you could possibly get to having a home network management experience without really having to go to school for network management. All the software you could possibly need to share all those experiences exists on here, and of course, you press a button, you can update the software, and it's only grown to be much more powerful over time. Again, Tonido, and I have 5 more of them that I just really can't use at this point because I'm already using this one right here. So if you are possibly interested in having one of these, leave a comment. It's really that simple. And we'll choose 5 of them at some point, probably within the next week, and it'll be completely random, so comment away. Be curious to know if you've tried one of these, and if you haven't, why not? Have you heard of something like this before? Do you even have a home network, or is it just you who happens to be online at home? I know it's just me here. Me and the dogs. Or the dogs and me. The dogs and I. It's just us recording videos for YouTube. There you go. Just curious to know if you'd be interested in other hardware giveaways too. I'm just saying. I like sharing. Do you? My email address, chris@perillo.com. Drop me a line. You can follow me on Twitter if you want to see your timeline spammed with junk. Like the other day, I tweeted out, better latte than never. You're free to join us on Facebook as well, where just a few minutes ago I tweeted about my very first Star Wars figure. I have it here in my home office, and I posted the picture, and we all shared our experiences. And you're also welcome to Join us at lockergnome.net where we're asking questions and giving answers inside the community. Geeks.perlo.com, chris.perlo.com, my blog, lockergnome.com, where we help bloggers make money with what they're writing about. And then, of course, you're also welcome to join us in the chat room. We are geeking out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at live.perlo.com. We'll see you later.